Peace and blessings, beautiful people. I'm Kareen.
And I'm Betsy. And if you've been here before, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Hey, welcome back, welcome back. But if you're new here, we'd like to welcome you to
the Pleatery. Hey y'all, it's been a while. We miss y'all, and I know you miss us. The feeling's just mutual.
Missed you guys.
But we had some healing to do, some things that we had to conquer. But guess what? We are back, and we are better than ever.
Hello.
Okay.
Hi.
Hey, it's resilience. But anywho, first things first. Did you smash that subscribe button?
Smash it.
Did you flip up that notification?
Click it.
Charles, how you gonna know?
The next time we post a video.
I mean, come on.
You have to know.
And did you press that like button? Did you give it that thumbs up?
Ding.
Come on now. I need you to do all three.
Come on.
Please and thank you.
And YouTube needs to know that you like us so they can get us out to the masses, okay? More Pleatery for everybody.
Oh my gosh, we got something good for y'all. Sister, tell the people then what we're doing.
We're bringing back a favorite. The Adawlt Dranks, y'all. Adawlt Dranks, y'all.
It's a happy hour today.
You know we love making drinks on this show. Girl, tell them the drinks we're making today.
Oh my gosh, so we're gonna bring you some 3 summery drinks to get you right, okay, for the summer gatherings that y'all are about to have, because, you know, some people are out in the streets again.
Hello.
So we got a Prince Rogers Nelson, which is an ode to the late, great Prince. I mean, we miss him. Legend. So we got that. Then we got the Watermelon Poser. It's a fun little matcha, coconut, strawberry mixture that's fun, but you know, it's giving you watermelon vibes visually, but it's not watermelon.
No watermelon. Posing.
None. Then, you know, we had to come with you correct for the Haitian Flag Day. So we got a Haitian Flag Day drink that just got some really bomb Haitian flavored mango, pineapple rum.
Yes.
Some just citrus and it's just lush
real
and sexy.
Caribbean. Real Caribbean. I love it. Yeah.
But anywho, we got you this summer for the drinks, all right?
So if you want to find out how to make any of those delectable things that we got coming up for y'all, stay tuned. So here's what you'll need. All items and measurements will be listed in the description box below. First up, we have the Watermelon Poser. This is a fun, textured, fruity drink that lets you have your fruit and booze it too. To get started with this drink, you're gonna macerate your strawberries. To do this, you're gonna cut the tops off your washed berries, then toss them in a food processor. You're gonna add a generous amount of sugar, then give them a quick blitz on the chop setting of your food processor. Set those aside in a bowl to further macerate and pull those sweet juices. Now it's time for the fun stuff. To a shaker, you're gonna pour in your coconut milk, 1.5 to 2 shots of white rum, depending on how much fun you wanna have, and some agave or the sweetener of your choice. Give that a good old college shake and make sure it gets mixed up nice and right and set aside. Now it's time to assemble. Add your masticated strawberries to the bottom of a tall glass, pour over some ice to cool, and then add your coconut milk mixture. Top off with that beautiful green matcha. Make sure that this is fully cooled before you add it to your drink. And if you want to find out how we make our matcha tea, click the iCard at the top of the screen and go check out our boba video. Now let's get into this sexy mother. I literally could not stop staring at the sparkles. The secret ingredient we use to make this sparkling beauty is butterfly pea flower tea. Look at the beautiful, vibrant indigo blue that it makes when you brew it. And then all you have to do is add a little bit of lemon juice, and the acidity magically changes the color to this vibrant purple. The butterfly pea flower tea that we used in this video was provided to us by Lisa Marie, the co-owner of Genway Tea Company. Genway Tea Company offers amazing signature gourmet blended boutique teas. She was so kind to send us a delicious array of teas to sample. These were so enjoyable. The website will be linked in the description box below. Make sure you go get you some tea, y'all. Literally. To get started on this drink, you're gonna add some ice to a shaker, then pour in your lemon juice, followed by your lime juice. Don't forget to add in your white rum, 2 shots if you're nasty, followed by some agave or sweetener of choice, and your butterfly pea flower tea mixture. Make sure it's fully cooled by the time you add it to your shaker. Now give this a good shake and make sure you have fun while you're doing it. Now this is where the magic happens, y'all. Add some edible luster dust to the bottom of a gaudy glass. Yes, and that's a requirement. And then pour in your drink mixture. Watch that glitter swirl, dance, and move and groove like the late great Prince Rogers Nelson himself. Y'all need to stand up right now. Veco, because this drink is going to be the summer 2021 anthem, I promise. To get started on this masterpiece, you're going to add some ice to a shaker. Then you're going to throw in your lemon juice, followed by your pineapple juice and your mango juice. Then you're going to throw in your shots of Haitian rum. Remember that this is flavored, y'all. And then your egg white. Don't forget to shake with love, y'all. Oh, what you ordering tonight? Haitian Flag Days all evening, thank you.
Alright, y'all. We got 3 delicious drinks for y'all that we made today. We have Haitian Flag Day over here, the watermelon poser over here, cute, right? And the Prince Rogers Nelson. You guys already know what to do. If you make these drinks at home, go on over to Instagram at the Pleatery, find us, pick it, post it, and hashtag it, the Pleatery, CIY, so we can know what you are doing at home. Okay? We want to see it. We want to see it. Post it, tag it, hashtag it. And then while you're over there, why don't you give us a little bit of a follow? Just hit that follow button. So until next time, y'all, please don't forget to eat good and stay flexing. Ew.
Thanks for watching, and if you like this video and want to see more like it, hit that subscribe button below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit that notification bell for future posts.